In carbonate resonance structures, which of the following are possible? Option A, that is, it is possible to identify each structure individually by physical as well as chemical methods. Option B, all the structures are in dynamic equilibrium with each other. And option C, carbonate CO3 2 minus has a single practical resonance hybridized structure. Option D, whatever each carbonate structures are there, they are existing in equal amounts. Whereas those structures, if we go, structure 1 is like this is carbonate related first structure. Whereas we are expecting, as per the given question is concerned, it is making dynamic equilibrium with the other carbonate structure is like this, and another one eligible structure for the carbonate is like this. These are the three structures. These three structures are present in dynamic equilibrium with one another. So therefore, if we go for the options A, B, C, D and the correctness, suppose what they says is it is possible to identify each structure individually by physical and chemical methods. Whereas this structure, this structure, this structure are not different. All are same. And we can't separate this structure from this structure from this and all these, that is individual identification of each structure is not possible, hence A is wrong. And all are in dynamic equilibrium with each other. Yes, all these three structures, if we are feeling these of all are different, all are maintaining dynamic equilibrium. First is making dynamic equilibrium with the second is also making dynamic equilibrium with the third. Whereas option C, carbonate has a single resonance hybridized structure. Yes, let us go for the resonance hybridized structure of carbonate. We can write resonance hybridized structure of carbonate as like this. In this, we are expecting a partial bond. We are expecting a partial bond. Here also in between the carbon and the oxygen, here we are expecting the partial double bond. Whereas that bond is not exact the bond, it is 1/3 bond. So therefore, this is 1.33 bond order here. Here also it is 1.33 bond order. Here also it is 1.33 bond order. Such of structure is expected. So carbonate has a single resonance hybridized structure, whereas each structure exists with equal amounts. Yes, all these structures are same. Whatever time is present for this structure, the same amount of time is associated with the second structure. Third structure also offers the same time for the hybridized structure. So therefore option B, option C, option D are correct. Whereas option A, it is possible to identify each structure individually by different physical and chemical methods appears to be what? Wrong one.